Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make soy chunks curry. One of the tastiest vegetable curry which has a meaty flavor and a meaty texture. And soy chunks are high in protein also. And I have added the ingredients in the description box and let's get started. To a cooker, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil gets heated up, I'm going to add the whole spices. I've added cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Now we are going to add 1 onion which I have sliced. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After sauteing for a few minutes, let's add the tomatoes and curry leaves. After a few minutes of sauteing, let's add all the spices. I'm going to add the coriander powder, chilli powder, turmeric powder and garam masala powder. We're gonna mix everything. I've taken 2 cups of soya chunks. I've soaked it in water 2 hours before cooking and I drained off all the water. Now we're going to add the soya chunks into this. Let's add water. Let's add salt. And cilantro. Mix everything. Now let's cover and cook it for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, the pressure is released. Now let's open up. Now turn back the stove on again. I know now it's all cooked perfectly. And the next step, it's optional. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk. Now you can turn off the stove, add a little bit cilantro for garnish, and your soya chunk curry is ready now. Now let's serve the soya chunk curry. Looks like as if meat pieces are in there, but it's all healthy. Now let's try our soya chunk recipe. You see how thick the gravy is. And let's try our soya. It's really a delicious curry and it goes well with chapati, roti, naan or even rice. And you get to have a feeling of eating non-vegetarian when it's all veg. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.